Alright guys, I didn't video this because I really didn't think it was going to work, but my sink was very, very slow. I want to say it was a partial clog. I didn't go underneath and actually look at it, but when I did the water, I mean, it would fill up, you know, to here, and it took forever for the water to go down. And I'm like, oh, we're going to have to call the landlords. We're going to have to buy one of those hand plungers. I don't know. We don't have anything. No drain declogger or a plunger or anything. And let me show you what worked. We got this to declog with no professional help and no plunger and no chemicals or anything. So let me show you what we did. Literally, do we put this on? Okay. And you hear it on the other side. You hear it? Do it again. Ain't that something, guys? And after like 5 times of doing this, look at this. Like, nothing is clogged. I wish I would have videoed before, but like I said, I didn't because I really didn't think it was going to work. But you can see there's literally no clog now whatsoever. Is this not crazy? And this empty bottle of orange juice was just sitting there. And the reason it was even sitting there, I was just going to use it to store change, you know, for vacation or something. And yeah, can you believe that's what worked? I'm not even kidding you. I know that there's some videos out there that, oh, hey, this worked, it really didn't work. I know you don't see the clog, but I swear to you, it actually worked. Just wanted to let you know, I'm sure it was just a minor clog, nothing major. But if you're in a pinch, this worked. Thanks for watching.